Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Diecast Maestros. In this reel today, we are going to unbox two Tata models. One of them is the Tata Indica Vista and the other model is the Tata Aria. They are both in the scale of 1:43 and they're both made by the French model maker Norev. Quickly, let us now unbox the Indica Vista. Okay, so it comes in a window box. Simple packaging but quite strong yet effective, and you just need to pull this tray out and here is the lovely model by Norev of Tata Indica Vista. It comes in a lovely sky blue metallic finish. Let's review the model quickly. So it has got the absolute spot on proportions that you would see on an Indica Vista. Alloy wheels are the exact replica. Again, all the body lines and character lines are also right in place. Let's have a look at the front end where you've got headlamps. These are very difficult to replicate headlamps because they're multi-reflector, but they've done a good job, and I hope you can see that on this 1/43 model. And the front grille, the logos and badging, absolutely spot on. Norev is a very reputed scale model manufacturer that does a lot of OEM models. Details like the wing mirrors are nicely captured. One of the windows is down and the rear windows are up. Quickly moving on to the rear end, you can see the teardrop lights of the Indica Vista, a signature of this car and its predecessor, the Indica. Let's have a look at the other model that we have in, and this is the Tata Aria. The mighty Aria was succeeded by Hexa, and I hope they come up with another model in that line soon. The seller has put my initials on this. I love it. Again, very simple and effective modular packaging that we have in here. Just pull this tray out and the car drops right into your hand. It is done in lovely pearl paint, beautifully proportioned, matching all the character lines. Even the shirt lines on the doors are very nicely replicated. Alloy wheels are intricate and very nicely shown. It's very difficult to, if it's not kept in the palm of my hand, it's very difficult to know that it's a 1/43 model. You've got the amber of the headlamp cluster, and then you've got the headlamp cluster itself, which looks very nice. There you go. Nice chunky wing mirrors which go with the personality of this car. It's sad that this car didn't do well in 1:1 though. The rear end again very beautifully captured by Norev. It's got Tata badging here, and it's got Aria written here, and it's got Tata written here. There's a punch slot for the rear fog lamp. If you look at the rear windscreen carefully, you can also see that the fret is also very nicely replicated here, as is the case on the front windscreen. So ladies and gentlemen, that was all from Diecast Maestro today. We did a quick unboxing of these two beautiful models in 1/43 scale. Do click on the bell icon, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Have fun.